Environment Day. World Environment Day promotes the ways to protect the environment. You can share your views on this in the comment section below. And in today's DIY, I'm going to show you a simple Environment Day craft. Come on, let's quickly make it. The materials required are drawing file, sketch pens, Fevicol, scale, pencil and paper. Take a drawing file and draw lines on it with a scale. If you don't have a drawing file, you can use an A4 sheet. Now, let's take a pencil and start drawing the human evolution. Highlight these sketches with a black sketch pen. Sketch, let's darken the center line with a black sketch pen. Now, let's take a pencil and draw the trees. Let's color our trees. our earth and save the environment. So here is our Environment Day craft with a beautiful message in it. Hope you loved it. Give it a try yourself and share your work with us in our Instagram account. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Stay safe at home and let's learn something new every day with Sparklebox.